Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus, and I'm here at 312 Olo Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, and we're going to begin our walk through this unit right in the kitchen area. So, the kitchen area houses a laminate tile flooring that continues into the galley area and bathroom. You also have this stylish wood curtain along the walls in the kitchen, gives it a nice little touch. Not to mention, you also have your side shared entryway to the unit housed in here. And in this kitchen area in particular, you have a good amount of space for maybe a small or medium-sized dining set right by the windows. The appliances housed in the kitchen area include the large-size refrigerator, and you also have the 4-burner stove and oven. Additionally, you also have a couple of cabinets for a little bit of storage around the stove and a little bit of countertop space as well. Last thing to know about this kitchen area, you do have one of the 2 gas space heaters housed in here. You have the second one housed in a double parlor. Give you a shot of the window spaces over here. All right. Next up, we're going to look at the small galley area you have. And here you house the double bin stainless steel sink, along with plenty of cabinets up above and below for some additional kitchen storage. And you got this nice updated tile backsplash in here as well. All right. Moving forward, let's check out the bathroom next. It's a smaller bathroom, but of course does house the necessities. You got this spacious sink area with some cabinets underneath for some storage. Above it, a nice wide open mirror. And you also have the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. You have a stylish tile walling throughout. All right. Next up, show you the small bonus room you have in this unit. Houses the laundry hookups, just need to bring your own machines. But also could be used maybe as a small office space with a couple of outlets for any electronics. Last thing to know about this small bonus room, you also have an additional closet space over in the corner for a little bit of extra storage to this unit. Perfect. All right. Next, we're going to look at the double parlor, which is connected to the kitchen right through this doorway over here. Now, as you can see, the double parlor houses a hardwood flooring, and right in the corner over there is your private front entryway to the unit. And a good amount of space in here for any furniture setups. There's the second gas space heater right in the corner. Once again, lots of space for whatever furniture setups you like to have, along with plenty of electrical outlets for any of electronics you like to house in here too. Walking inside, here's the other space. Plenty of windows too that let in lots of natural sunlight, makes the room nice and lively. Awesome. Last but not least, we're going to look at the 2 bedrooms. Both bedrooms are basically identical in features. They both house a hardwood floor and a nice coat of paint. For bed sizes for these bedrooms, I would probably stick with a standard or full. You could even maybe put a queen in here, but most likely standard or full bed size would be best. All right, that's the first bedroom. Let's check out the second bedroom, which is right over here. All right. So once again, this is 312 Olo Street, Unit 1, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, though, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have published on our website. And, of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.